9 Unknown Facts About the Pacific Ring of Fire. Did you know that 90% of the world's earthquakes occur in the Pacific Ring of Fire? We're not referring to the post-spicy food discomfort or a drinking game. We're talking about Earth's most violently volcanic region. If you haven't heard of it, you definitely should, so let's explore one of the world's greatest wonders. 1. 2/3 of the world's volcanoes are located in the Ring of Fire. Over the past 11,700 years, which coincides with the length of the current geological period called the Holocene epoch, approximately 851,000 volcanoes have been active in this region. In fact, the 4 largest volcanic eruptions during the Holocene epoch have all occurred here, with more than 350 active volcanoes documented throughout human history. 2. This zone experiences 90% of the world's earthquakes, and not just minor ones. Around 81% of the largest earthquakes worldwide take place within the Ring of Fire. To put this into perspective, the area with the next highest seismic activity, known as the Alpine Belt, only accounts for about 5 to 6% of global earthquakes. 3. The boundaries of the Ring of Fire are not universally agreed upon due to varying interpretations of seismic and volcanic activity. Some disputed areas include the western side of Indonesia, which overlaps with the Alpine Belt, as well as the Antarctic Peninsula and the South Shetland Islands. These regions exhibit different characteristics compared to the rest of the ring. 4. The Ring of Fire spans approximately 25,000 miles in length. It nearly encircles the Pacific Ocean, with only the border of the South Pacific Ocean being relatively safe from seismic and volcanic activity. Although resembling a horseshoe shape, it was named the Ring of Fire to capture its vast expanse. Starting from New Zealand, it stretches along coastlines up to the Bering Strait, then follows the Americas coastline down to Chilean Patagonia. 5. More than 15 countries lie within the boundaries of the Ring of Fire. It does not follow a straight northward path from New Zealand. Instead, it traverses landmasses encompassing Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and the Philippines. From there, it extends to Japan before reaching northeastern Russia and continuing along Alaska, covering every country along the west coast of the Americas until it reaches the southern tip of Chile. All these nations experience frequent volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, making it the Ring of Fire. 6. The interior of the ring is relatively safe. The active regions of the Ring of Fire primarily exist along the boundaries. As you move away from the landmasses at the edge of the ring towards the center, the level of activity decreases, except for Hawaii. However, settling further away from the ring is not feasible as the Pacific Ocean occupies the majority of that space. 7. The Ring of Fire aligns with the boundary of the Pacific Plate. Let's have a quick geography refresher to understand this phenomenon. The Earth's rocky surface consists of large tectonic plates that constantly move atop the planet's molten core. The plates interact and create gaps through which magma emerges. Due to the immense forces involved, the boundaries of these plates exhibit the most seismic and volcanic activity. The Ring of Fire corresponds to the boundary of the Pacific Plate. 8. The volcanoes in the Ring of Fire are not interconnected. There is a common misconception that volcanic activity along the Ring of Fire is somehow interconnected, so when one volcano erupts, others will follow suit. While it can happen coincidentally, there is no connected system responsible for these eruptions. The Ring of Fire simply comprises a chain of independent and highly volatile tectonic lines. 9. It contains the world's deepest trench. The interaction of tectonic plates in the Ring of Fire leads to more than just seismic and volcanic activity. There are 3 primary ways in which tectonic plates interact. They can diverge, slide past each other horizontally, or one plate can subduct beneath another. The Mariana Trench is situated at the convergence of the Philippine Sea Plate and the Pacific Plate, with the latter being forced beneath the former. This collision occurs at the ocean floor's deepest point, resulting in the trench's incredible depth. The lowest known point of the trench reaches a staggering 36,070 feet, 10,944 meters, below sea level. The Ring of Fire, despite its debatable name, is undeniably one of the most awe-inspiring phenomena on Earth. While it may sound daunting, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions within the region do not occur frequently, even though it covers such a vast portion of the globe.